Hey traders, it's Joe here, and I'm going to do a quick closing read and some pre-market analysis. I was away yesterday because I had lost power. We had some tornadoes hit the Philadelphia area for the first time in about 22 years. So it's going to be a difficult one, seeing as a lot's going on in the market, obviously. So let's take a look at yesterday. We had a gap up, strong positive tension. It did cross zero, and then if you look at the end of the day, it went under zero and then back above zero. And you could very easily say that is a bullish defense of zero. But to me, I'm looking at it as we had strong positive tension, and for the better part of the day, price went south. And it did end up closing, I think, where it opened. But to me, I just don't think the bulls did enough to sell me on that. And we can see that in velocity as well. So let's take a quick look here. This red line is velocity. You see it crossed zero, giving the bulls an idea of negative momentum into the market, and they just kind of bought it, but not really. It doesn't really look like it normally would, and you can see the price just went up and down. I just don't see enough there from the bulls. Decay didn't give us any test. So with that said, I didn't see enough from the bulls. Now, going in today, obviously we had a news bomb, which I swear we have them 2 to 3 times a day now. Price is much lower, about 30 points from the close, and obviously that's going to shoot tension much further away from zero. Daily tension, which is this histogram here, is going to stay negative as well. And to me, I'm going to I'm going to short the bullish ideas. So velocity or decay going positive, I am going to short that. I am going to trade with the bears until I see bulls come into the market, affect price, affect tension, buy the bearish idea, really cement themselves as strong players in the market. I haven't seen it yet. I don't expect them to. But I will say that, again, I say it every time, you have to be prepared for the opposite thing to happen of what you're expecting, because it will happen in the market, and you can't marry a narrative that will get you stocked out a bunch of times throughout the day. And that is just a killer to your account. It's just bad trading. I've been a victim to it many times, just marrying a narrative. So as usual, be aware of the opposite, what it looks like. When it does happen, be aware of it and be nimble in your analysis. But right now, I'm bearish, trading with the bears. Okay, everybody, see you in the room.